Hi, in some of the earlier videos that we have gone through in the post-COVID and post-lockdown situation, the series of videos which are coming out as Survive, Stabilize and Surge Ahead, I had given a lot of macro thoughts and macro strategies for you to work with. In this video, I want to give you a micro thought which will have a huge impact on how we go ahead and work in the post-COVID world once and for all. Let me put it in one phrase and then expand it further. I call it as your success depends on your employees' habits. Your success here stands for the success of the organization and the business. What has that got to do with the employees' habits? As we have been watching the events unfolding around us, we know with certainty that the new order of the world will be completely different. The social and physical distancing will become a permanent norm. Digitalization is going to become a big way forward. Cash is going to be king. Fixed assets without ROI will not find much of favor. With all this happening, the key stakeholders of your business being your employees, their habits are going to make a huge difference to your business objectives, your strategies and plan, and your execution. How are habits formed? Habits are formed when people knowingly or unknowingly align their day with certain activities which takes them towards certain objectives in their life. Those objectives, they may be aware, they may not be aware. The objectives could be as simple as survival, having a bank balance, spending time with my family, bringing up my children, could be more than one, getting a good name in the professional field, growing up the professional ladder, quite a lot. If those objectives are in place, and if that day is managed by creating chunks of certain activities that they do repeatedly, right from when they get up, how they maintain their health, whether they maintain their health, how are they building up that knowledge, how do they manage their finance, personal finance, how do they manage the relationships around them, all these are going to make a huge impact on their objectives. The objectives remaining the same habits what they had earlier will not help them to move towards their objectives, normally financial, and also ensure that as a business you may not be able to move towards your objectives as well. Very simple example. In my earlier avatar of pre-COVID days, my habits might not have included consciously maintaining social distance, consciously maintaining certain personal hygiene, consciously not investing beyond my means and living through EMIs, consciously managing my digital life to be more productive. Many of the things I was doing earlier habit-wise does not fit into the new scheme of things. This means that irrespective of the strategies that you have, irrespective of the business goals that you have, all your wonderful execution plans, all that might fall apart if your employees' habits are not aligned to their personal objectives, which in turn will be aligned to your business objectives, because a person to progress financially in his personal life will have to earn by doing good work at office, and for him to do good work at office, his personal habits now will have to change. With 40 to 50% of estimated workforce going forward the next 2 to 3 years going to work from home, the change in habits, right from maintaining good health to good hygiene to good financial discipline to good relationship discipline, with social distancing going to happen, all the communication is going to be through digital platforms. The earlier personal touch that happened in the physical world will have to be duplicated through the digital world going forward. All these minor habit changes are stuff which are going to impact your business in a very big way. As a business owner, as a business leader, as a CEO, as a management executive, it is just not sufficient if you look only at your business goals, objectives, strategies, plans, execution, etc. As part of your strategic work, you need to focus on helping the employees to modify their habits to fit the new lifestyle that is going to be there once and for all. If you do that, it becomes easy for you to survive during this lockdown and post-lockdown period. That will help you to stabilize better and then surge ahead. Make a note, small drops make an ocean. Small habits will make a huge difference to your business success. Let's all do it together, shall we? Thank you.